Introduction to Altiorem's channels on Slack. Slack is the app that we use here at Altiorem for communication. In the community channel, everyone's invited, and here we've got a magic sorter that will tell us what new content has been sorted and is ready for review. All you need to do is find one that you like and then click on the link. It will take you straight to the card in Trello where you can add your name and start reviewing. Also in the community channel, we get everyone to introduce themselves so that we can meet each other, support each other, and get to know each other. In the contributors channel, this channel is dedicated specifically to our volunteers who are producing the content that's helping to build Altiorem. Here you can chat with each other. You can find a buddy to help you do some reviewing together, or just simply hang out. In the live Q&A channel, we'll be hosting some live Q&As, which means that if you've got any questions as you're completing a template, you can come here and get some real live virtual face-to-face answers. And we also have a random channel. And for anything that's not quite Altiorem based, you can pop it in here. We've got lots of little things. We've got some videos. We've got Pablo cooking a barbecue. Looks delicious. We also have another channel called Mentors. Now this one's a locked channel, so only the mentors will be able to see this one. But in here, we have a way to match our mentors with our contributors. So when a contributor starts working on a piece of content, we let all the mentors know. And then they can go and add themselves to the contributors card and help them out. We also have a way that lets us know if a contributor has a question. So this is a great spot for mentors to hang out and also network with each other.